Are you not tired of scrolling on social media, watching video without you making any money? Imagine you can use that same time watching what you love, and of course you are going to start making money from it. So you can make over $5 for yourself in just 1 hour of using this website that I'm about to share with you right now. With your smartphone and internet connection, you can be able to actually use this website right now to start making money for yourself. And at the end of every day, you start doing calculation of how much you make from this particular website that I'm about to share with you right now. And you know, one of the best part is this website is available around the world. Maybe you are from Nigeria, India, Ghana, USA, Bangladesh, Pakistan, anywhere around the world. You can use this website to start making money for yourself, and you can cash it out instantly. The only thing you need right now is for you to just sign up with your password, and every single time you spend on this website actually worth spending, because every time make you money. One of the best part is you don't need any experience whatsoever in order for you to start making money for yourself on this website. All you need right now is just for you to sit back, wait, relax, grab your popcorn, face your phone with your internet connection, and then start making money with this website. With that being said, let's dive in. So here is the application. First and foremost, you are going to your Play Store to download the application called FunTV. Once you download the application, and then you can sign up on the application, which I'm going to be sharing with you every single thing right now. So after you download it, what this application is for is actually for you to watch video and of course make money for yourself while watching videos online, short videos, right? Yes, imagine you're able to make money while watching short video every single day. This is exactly what this app actually does right now. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to sign up right now. I downloaded the app as a guest right now, so I need to sign up and have an account under me, just to show you guys how you can also go through this app and of course start making money with the application. So first and foremost, make sure you have your email ready or your Google account. That's what you are using to sign up, or you can actually sign up with your Facebook. But we are using our Google account right now. We are not using Facebook. We are not using email right now. So we are using our Google account. So just click on login Google, or you need that you log in with your Apple account, right? But for me, I prefer still logging in with my Google account. I don't have any account before, so you can just click on login with your Google account. Then you can select the account you want to use to actually sign up on this particular website, and then you sign up. So maybe I sign up right now because I actually download this app under someone. I'm able to get 58,000 coin. This coin can actually be converted into cash that you can withdraw at the end of this video. So make sure you watch everything, get everything I'm trying to show you right now, so you are not going to miss anything now. So as you can see right here, I have over 58,000 coin inside of my account. Well, the next thing I need to do right now is to find a way to earn more so I can pull out this money. And like I say, you can make over $5 for yourself every single hour. Like I can see, these are the type of short video you'll be watching, and the best part is you can watch the one you are interested in watching. You can watch what you love, interested, like what you want to watch right now, and of course you make some coin while watching it, which can later be converted into cash. And also, as a new user on this website, I'm also going to be sharing with you how much you can first earn as a new user. There are some bonus waiting for you right here on the same particular website. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing right now is, you can see this place that say gift card list. This is what you are trying to get right now. You are trying to get over 5 million coin right now, and it is super easy. You can make that 5 million coin in just 1 hour by doing whatever I'm going to be sharing with you right now inside of this video. Okay, so here is the gift card type, which is actually the gold razor. Okay, the Razer good card is what you are getting right now, and you are going to convert it into cash and of course withdraw it directly into your bank account. But one thing you need to know about this same particular application is that the app is not for lazy people, because they're actually going to be showing ads. So every single day you come right here, you check in, and you need to know that once you check in, you need to actually watch ads while checking in. And sometimes when you're even on the application, they're going to be showing you some type of ads that you need to watch. Okay, that's how the ads actually, this app actually gets to pay, because they are going to show you a lot of advertisement while you are trying to make money on the app. But if you are patient and you are hardworking on this same particular application, you can start making over $5 for yourself every hour just by using the same particular application right now. So for me, I actually want to watch that video right now and of course show you how every single thing is and how you can also start making the same exact amount of money for yourself every single hour. So here's actually the daily reward right now. I'm just going to click on the check-in. So once I click on check-in, they're going to show ads, and this ad is what I can actually watch. Once I watch this ad right now, I'm actually going to make some money while watching the ads. This is how I'm able to do some kind type of things right now. But one mistake you must not make while watching this ad is what I'm going to be sharing with you right now. So you can actually get your reward whenever you actually watch ads on the same particular website, which is what I'm going to be sharing with you right now. So you're watching the ads right now, the ad is playing, and I'm going to show you something that you must not actually make a mistake about while watching ads. So sometimes while watching ads, you might want to go back, you might feel like going back, but if this countdown right here don't actually end, do not go back, because if this countdown do not end and then you go back, you're not going to make that money right now. You're not going to get that money, which is what I'm trying to do right now. They say confirm to close, you will not be rewarded after closing this window. So I'm just going to wait for this to actually finish loading before I can actually go back. So I need to continue and start watching the video. And once I'm done watching the video, I'm back right now. I already complete today's task right now, which I can come back tomorrow and also do the daily check-in also right now. So here are the daily tasks you can actually do right now. Under the daily tasks, you watch ads. Okay, you watch ads to get coin, which means if you watch 5 ads, they're giving you extra 1,000 coin. Now this is actually newbie task right now. Newbie task, you're getting 1,000 coin to download application on Play Store. You are getting 500 coin just for you to subscribe to their YouTube channel, enable notification, which I already did right now, and also this one down right here, which means fill in invitation code. I will put in my invitation code right here right now, so you can also fill in my invitation code and of course get 30,000 coin for yourself. Number one, if you use the link down there in the video description or the comment section to download this, you are getting 58,000 coin for yourself for absolutely free. Then if you then use my promo code right now, which is my code, you are getting 30,000 coin extra for yourself right now, guys. And this is how you can actually get some bonus for yourself as a newbie. You follow them on Telegram, TikTok, WhatsApp, and you actually get some money for yourself, some coin for yourself, which can later be converted into cash. So this is how everything kept going right now. So there are a lot of things you can do on this website in order for you to also make money for yourself. This is absolutely easy. This is not something very difficult or hard for you to do at all. So if you enjoy watching the video up to this moment, you've not subscribed to my channel, if this is the first time, make sure you hit on that subscribe button and turn notification bell icon, so whenever I make video like this, you'll be the first person to get notified instantly. And also, if you enjoy watching the video up to this moment, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also go down there in the comment section and leave a nice comment down there. That's what motivate me every single day to go out there and of course make more video for you guys. Now you can see complete task to smash the piggy bank, watch 30 episodes, and then you invite 3 friends and get over 80,000 coin as a bonus right here. These are what you do on this in particular application, and of course you make money for yourself. Instead of you wasting your data, you can actually do all of these things for yourself and of course start making money for yourself every single day. So I'm going to be watching one episode inside of this video to show you how they pay you while watching video on this website, because this is actually the main thing we are trying to do right here, and of course make money with, right? By watching video, we're trying to make money while watching video on the same particular application. So if you're using your Android, you can download it. If you're using your iPhone, you can download it right now. So what you are doing right now is we're going back to the home page and trying to watch 1 or 2 videos just to show you right now, but later I can actually go on, complete the task, and make sure I start making money. So this is actually the video that I want to watch right now. So you discover that beside the video there's one thing that will be loading right there beside the video, just like coin. That is actually the coin you are accumulating while watching the video. Okay, so if you go back to the minimum draw right now, it's actually 5.2 million coin right now, which can be converted into $5 right now. If you actually calculate everything with the stress you're going, this is actually worth it. Okay, because this website is not actually for lazy people. If you put in your effort, you'll be able to make some cool cash for yourself on this website. I'm going back right now to watch the video and of course, make some money. So this is actually the coin record, and this is the redeem mystery. You can see this is actually a very new account. The coin record is actually what I just earned while making this video. Under this video, this is to show you that making money right here is not something very difficult. So if you're ready to make your $5 every single hour, then this website is something you can jump on. Use the link to actually download the app and they put in the promo code. In total, you're getting over 80,000 coin while using those 2 things, because when you actually use the link to download the application, you are getting just 58,000 coin for yourself, or more than 50,000 coin. And then when you actually use my promo code, you are getting over 30,000 coin for yourself, and all these things can be converted once you are able to accumulate up to the minimum amount of withdrawal right now. Use it to get a Visa Gold card, and of course you can actually convert it into your local currency. That's why it is actually available around the whole world, be it from Nigeria, India, Bangladesh, anywhere around the world. So these are the type of ads they're showing right here in order to show you that this is what they are actually used to make money right on this in particular website, just by showing you advertisement. Okay, so they are getting paid with that advertisement. And right here you can also open this box for yourself, and this box is actually like every 72 hours right now. So I'm still waiting for this countdown to actually finish. They said the treasure chest can be opened only after the countdown ends, so I need to wait for this countdown to actually end before I can open the treasure chest. And like I said, while you're watching the video on this website, on this application, you start accumulating some coins for yourself. That's how you make money right here. So like I mentioned again, you can also invite your friends, and of course make money while inviting your friends. Invite one friend and you have over 195,000 coin for yourself straight into your account right now. This is how every single thing is done. So you can start doing all these things for yourself every single day, and of course you make money for yourself right now. As you can see, my friend download the app, your friend will get 55,000 coin. My friend watch 10 episodes, your friend will get 10,000 coin. My friend watch 10 episodes of short dramas every day for 3 days. Okay, your friend will get 60,000 coin. My friend watched 10 episodes of short drama every day for a total of 7 days. Your friend will get another 70,000 coin. This is how you can accumulate coins right now if you're not lazy on this website. In case this is the first time you're coming across my channel, this is Michael Digital. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit on the subscribe button, turn notification bell icon, so whenever I create more videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notified instantly. And if you have not liked this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and also go down there in the comment section, comment something nice down there, or comment free cash right there. So once you comment free cash right there, this motivates me to go on, create more video for you guys to actually watch, and then make more money online. So this is the end of this video, guys. See you in my very next video. Peace.